Watch to the end to see how I was able to put this amazing, healthy, creamy, tasty, everything you can call it, together in no time. On this day, I was super excited because I wasn't ready to make any boring fruit salad but a creamy and healthy one. Now, I just finished having my meal and I needed something sweet like a dessert. So I had to make this recipe because I had all the fruits needed at home. Now, you want to grab any fruit of your choice, your favorite fruit. So first I have my blueberry. All those things are going to be thoroughly cleaned or thoroughly washed. Remember, we ain't cooking any of those things to get rid of any bacteria or germ, so we need to take our time to clean them. If you can lay your hands on cantaloupe melon, please go for it. I love the taste and the looks it brings to this fruit salad or dessert. I also have apple, green or red apple would do. I have some peach and I have green and red grapes. Again on my list is pineapple. So if you have one, I suggest you go for pineapple also because it's a game changer in this fruit salad. Now, to my pineapple, what happened was on a usual day, on a normal day, I will go out, buy a pineapple unripe because you hardly find them ripe from the grocery shop. So I just buy them, leave them at home because I love pineapple. Leave them at home until it is fully ripe. And but something was alarming on this day because I went out buying this with the same thought I have as usual, €1 80, €1 70 and all that. So I never had buy one for €2. But I purchased three things on this very good day, three simple small things, which was alarming with the price. So I got to the car, I decided to check the receipt once again. I found out that this pineapple was €3 50, I think about €3 70, which was too expensive for me. Okay, too expensive for me. So I just said to myself, you pineapple, I'm going to eat you to the fullest. So that was what I did to this pineapple. So because every bit of it was so good, I enjoyed it. I enjoyed this recipe. And that's it for that. It is time to cut all our fruits. Before then, go ahead and tap dry them and then cut. For my grapes, I went ahead to cut them just as you saw. You can choose to introduce them just direct without cutting them. They are tiny enough. But I feel like cutting them brings out more juice, more flavor to your fruit salad. For the peach and the apple, you can decide to peel them off, but I just didn't peel the apple because it was looking very fresh, but the peach not. So I had to peel the peach. And let me use this time to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers for always tuning in and for still watching. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Anniekrieger, a foodie, a professional practice chef. So if you want to see more of my videos, you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also, do not forget to hit the notification bell that will notify you anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much. If you say this video is too long for you, you don't have the time to do all this, then check out my TikTok handle at Anniekrieger Plate. You will love it over there. It is mostly same recipes. It's short ones and well detailed, guys. You go ahead and check it out all on my YouTube shorts also. Everything is well detailed. You agree with me that some of us hardly have the time or the routine to take off enough vitamin as we should for our daily required vitamin. Now, this is one way of bringing all vitamins, all fruits in one bowl and just enjoy it to cover up that requires vitamin you need for the day. We all need that. And this is also something that is very delicious, guys, because no one says no to this recipe. That creaminess, the texture and the jelly look is just wow. The most interesting part here is our cream. I bet you this is the game changer of this recipe. On a good day, I'll go in with 2.5 tablespoons of honey, but because I have my homemade condensed sweetened condensed milk that needs to go, so I will introduce 2.5 tablespoons of my sweetened condensed milk. But just go for your preference, sweeten your hopes as preference, okay, with whatever you prefer to go for. The condensed milk is wow, it added another amazing taste. Now again, I have my 5 hours soaked chia seed. This is about 3 tablespoons of 5 hours soaked chia seed. And again, I have my Greek yogurt, about 600 ml of Greek yogurt. Go ahead and generously mix everything. If you want, you can add in some touch of lemon juice, but I think the fruits have enough acidity, so this is it for our cream. Now you will bring everything together in one bowl, guys. Like, let me tell you about this chia seed, had including it to this recipe. First, it has its own amazing nutrients. The vitamins in chia seed is unbelievable. And again, it will make the cream so jelly and creamy. And again, it will also give you that texture to preserve those fruits for at least 3 days in your fridge. It's going to absorb all the liquid from the fruits, okay? It won't make it look so watery. It will keep the consistency perfect up to 3 days. As you can see, guys, our fruit salad is almost ready to be enjoyed. Another thing you will do is add in some mint leaf. This will give you a very beautiful, refreshing taste, and that's it. First, you want to refrigerate for some time. It is better enjoyed when it is chilled a little bit, or you can just go ahead and serve on an ice block. Now, if you want to have it on that day, enjoy the whole of the bowl in that same day. Bring in good amount of ice block to your fruit salad bowl and just serve it like that. Guys, it's heavenly. Now for this fruit salad, you can have it for picnic, you can have it as a dessert, you can have it on a very sunny day instead of ice cream. If you don't want to have ice cream, it's another way of enjoying an ice cream on a sunny day. Okay, my only option at this point is to serve on an ice block. I couldn't wait because I needed this, and it was really refreshing. Really, I felt good. I enjoyed every bit of it. Anyone will enjoy this, and I promise you will love it. Just as I enjoyed it, I hope you enjoyed watching also. Please don't forget to leave your opinion in the comment section if you're ready to try this recipe out, or if you did tried it out, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching till this time. I would be so glad to see you once again. So if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, just to be notified anytime I post a new video. I say again, and I promise you're going to love it here. More recipes like these, simple, easy, healthy, everything you can think of in a recipe, you will surely find something for you. So stick around and see you in my next one. Bye for now.